Did you know that only about 22% of businesses are satisfied with their conversion rates? This highlights the challenges and potential within digital marketing. Many businesses struggle to turn engagement into tangible results. Mastering digital marketing strategies is crucial. Digital marketing is the heartbeat of modern business. It connects brands to their audiences uniquely. From global giants to small businesses, everyone benefits. A robust digital presence is essential in today's age. Digital marketing reaches a vast audience at a fraction of the cost. It offers measurable results and flexibility to tweak campaigns. Digital marketing offers growth opportunities for all businesses. Understanding SEO, social media, and content marketing is key. These tools help build a strong online presence and engage effectively. Beginners face an overwhelming volume of information in digital marketing. This can lead to analysis paralysis. Many get stuck in the learning phase, unable to implement effectively. Start small, focus on one or two strategies. Stay updated with the evolving digital landscape. Algorithm changes and new platforms can render strategies obsolete. Commit to continuous learning and adaptability. Follow industry leaders and participate in webinars. Don't underestimate the importance of analytics. Analytics are crucial for tracking success and understanding behavior. Learn analytics tools for informed decision-making. This can transform a campaign into a success story. Many struggle with content creation. Crafting engaging content requires creativity and understanding the audience. Focus on quality over quantity and tailor content to your audience. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the cornerstone of any successful digital marketing strategy. It ensures your content is visible to your target audience by ranking higher in search engine results. SEO involves keyword research, on-page optimization, and building backlinks. It's a long-term strategy that requires consistency and patience, but pays off with increased organic traffic. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter provide direct access to audiences. They offer unique opportunities for engagement and brand building. Effective social media marketing involves creating compelling content, engaging with followers, and leveraging paid advertising options. Consistency and authenticity are key to building a loyal following. Content marketing involves creating valuable, relevant content to attract and engage an audience. This can include blog posts, videos, infographics, and more. The goal is to establish authority in your industry and build trust with your audience. Content marketing requires a deep understanding of your audience's needs and preferences. Together, these strategies form a powerful trifecta that can drive significant results. The integration of SEO, social media, and content marketing creates a comprehensive approach that maximizes reach and engagement. When executed correctly, these strategies can transform your digital marketing efforts into a thriving success. A compelling example of digital marketing success is the campaign by the skincare brand Glossier. Glossier leveraged Instagram to build a community around its products, focusing on user-generated content and authentic customer testimonials. This strategy not only increased brand visibility but also fostered a loyal customer base, resulting in soaring sales. The Glossier example underscores the importance of authenticity and community engagement in digital marketing. It demonstrates how a well-executed strategy can turn customers into brand advocates. This kind of success is achievable with the right mix of creativity, consistency, and an understanding of your audience. Continuous learning is crucial in digital marketing. The landscape is dynamic with new trends and technologies emerging regularly. Marketers must stay informed and adaptable to maintain their competitive edge. This could involve taking online courses, attending industry conferences, or simply experimenting with new tools and platforms. In conclusion, digital marketing is an ever-evolving field that requires dedication and a willingness to learn. By mastering key strategies and remaining adaptable, businesses can unlock their full potential in the digital space. I encourage you to share your own experiences and strategies in the comments below, and stay tuned for more insights and tips on mastering digital marketing.